All right, in problems 11 and 12, we're actually revisiting what we did last week. Instead of finding the area of the arc sector this time, we're actually finding the arc length. So that is the distance around the arc along the circumference. So if you think back to our formula for that, it was arc length equals 2 pi r times theta over 360. Remember, the 2 pi r represented the circumference of the entire circle, and then we're just multiplying it times the portion of the circle that the sector covers. So we're going to have arc length equals 2 times pi. R stands for a radius. Our radius in this problem was 11, so 2 pi times 11, times theta over 360. Theta is going to be our central angle here, 90. So we're going to do 90 over 360. And then we're just going to simplify. That's going to give me 22 pi times 90 over 360. When I simplify this further, it's going to give me 11 over 2 pi, which is my answer choice C. Problem number 12 will be done very similar. Hope this helps.